of working as a personal development and the society progress. Actualmente, el 1 de mayo no solo es celebrado por los obreros, sino también por los trabajadores de todos los sectores de la sociedad.
Your salary. This is your salary. This is your salary. This is your salary.
I don't give up. Fight for you, for me, and for the workers. I promise you. Better salaries, better salaries, better salaries. Let's work, let's work. Who are you? I'm a police officer. Where do you work? I'm at a police station. Who are you? I'm not. Where do you work? I'm hospital. Who are you? I'm in a police. Where do you work? I work at fire station. Who are you? I am a wife. Where do you work? I work in my house. Who are you? Alaka. Where do you work? Who are you? I'm the teacher. Where do you work? I work at the school.
Very important because they risk their life to protect us. A housewife is perhaps the most important occupation because they are the main responsible one to bring up and support their families. They don't receive any money, but her family's love.
A person who works in a hospital. Who works in a hospital. You come here, please. Wait, listen. Who is the person?
A doctor.
A doctor, yes, clap for her, it's correct. Thank you so much. Good. The next occupation is a person, is one of the most important occupations in the world. It's a person who works in a house. Who works in a house. You? Come here, please. Thank you. Works in a house.
Housewife.
A housewife. Thank you. Clap for her. Good. Thank you. And the last one. The last one, please. Okay. The last occupation, once again for secondary level, please listen. Is a person who catches thieves. Protect us in the street, in the houses. Save our lives. You, girl. Yeah, you. Daniela, come here, please. Remember, it's a person who catches thieves, protect us in the streets and in the houses.
Police station, no, police officer.
A police officer, yes, clap for her. Thank you so much. Puede las palmas, por favor, muchísimas gracias.